Hello everyone, welcome to Urban Study Point. Today I am going to tell you about respiratory system and its importance. So before going into respiratory system and deep about that, first we will know about what is respiratory system. Respiratory system means it is the organs and tissues, means this is a group of, it is a network of organs and tissues which will allow you to breathe, which will help you to breathe. Okay, it will help you to breathe. Organs and tissues that will help you to breathe. So what are the organs in our body? What are the organs in our body that will help you for the respiratory system? That is, first thing is that lungs. Lungs. We know that we have two lungs in our body, like two bilaterally, means both side we have. Lungs, we know that, everyone know that mostly lungs present like bilaterally. These two lungs in our body present bilaterally, means both sides. Two lungs we will have, two lungs on the both the sides. So we will know in the next video about what are the lung, what are the parts more in deep about the lungs. All this we will come to know about in the next video. But before going into that, I wanted to today mostly discuss about the respiratory system. In the respiratory system, mainly oxygen and carbon dioxide. These two things you have to remember very well. Oxygen and carbon dioxide. This oxygen, respiratory system, what is the main function? You should know first thing is that function of the respiratory system. Function of the respiratory system is what? It will exchange the gases, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide. This exchange of gases, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide in the body, that is the major role of the respiratory system. Okay, this is the basic important respiratory system function. What it does? It exchanges the gases between oxygen and then carbon dioxide. That is respiratory system. So respiratory system main basic important role. What is that? Main respiratory system function important role is it will exchange the gases between by allowing oxygen. Oxygen will be entering into the body, into the lungs especially, and then carbon dioxide will released out. It will send out, breathe out. When you breathe out, what happens? Carbon dioxide will be released out. So this is called the main exchange of gases it allows. That's called respiratory system. So lungs are the main basic organ present in the body that is very important for us for exchanging the gases, like allowing the oxygen entering into the body and carbon dioxide will be released out. Means carbon dioxide will be released out. So that's the reason we always tell we need a good amount of like nature. We need a surrounding nature should be very clean and with lot of trees, because from the trees we will be getting the lot of oxygen into the body. So surrounding to our environment, we need lot of oxygen, so that oxygen we will take, and in the lungs some biochemical process will happen which will release the carbon dioxide. It will release the carbon dioxide outside of the body. So I told you oxygen will be entering into the body and then carbon dioxide will go release out of the body. So this is the main basic importance of respiratory system. Now we will discuss about types of respiration. So how many types of respiration present? There are two types of respiration present. That is external respiration and internal respiration. External respiration and internal respiration. Before going into external respiration and internal respiration, now let's learn about first external respiration. So, what is meant by external respiration? So, external respiration means we are taking oxygen inside, carbon dioxide we are releasing out to the body, and this whole process we are exchanging by external means environment, means outside, from the surrounding we are exchanging. That is external respiration. Now what is internal respiration? Internal respiration means the gases exchange will take place between blood and tissue inside the body. So in our body system there will be blood, fully blood, and some cells. These are cells. There will be, every part of the body is filled with the blood. We already know that. And every body has, like every parts of the body, we have cells. Cells is the main functional system of our body. So, in the respiratory system, especially internal respiration, external respiration means we are exchanging the gases from the environment. I told you already. Internal respiration means we are exchanging the gases inside the body. That is, in between, the gases will exchange between blood and cells. Especially blood and cells. Blood and cells you have to remember. This is called internal respiration. External respiration means outside of the environment we will exchange the gases, that is oxygen we will intake, and then carbon dioxide will be released out. And internal respiration means the gaseous exchange will take place inside the body, that is between the blood and tissue fluid. In the next class I will be telling about breathing, inspiration and expiration, and exchange of gases, how will takes place, and the transportation of gases and all. These are the topics I will be telling in the next class. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe with your family and friends.